We all love to give, and we want to give to a cause that touches our hearts. But what if I can show you a way that you can give and feel good about it and also get a tax refund from that? Pretty cool, right? Hello, my name is Taylor Mark within Grace Financial Solutions. I am so glad you're here today because I love the topic we're going to talk about, and I know that you will too. Before we get started, make sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe, and we will continue doing this month after month. People are naturally geared toward giving. I honestly believe that. And how awesome is it that we live in a country where we get rewarded for putting our money where our heart is. And that is the benefit of charitable giving. Did you know when you donate to your favorite registered charities, the Canada Revenue Agency supports your good deeds with a good deed in return? The money you give away creates a tax credit against your personal income tax. Although the term tax break may not be what springs to mind when you are moved to support a cause, you will be reaping that benefit anyways. Of course, like all worthy tax-related things, the benefit comes with some rules and regulations. But don't worry, it won't hurt. Here's how it works. First, to qualify for the tax credits, your charity must be registered with the Canada Revenue Agency and must have a charitable registration number. Click on the link below to see if your charities qualify. Next, we look at how to calculate your tax credits. This is a little more involved because you have to know the federal rate, which is the same for everyone in Canada, and the provincial rate, which is different with each province. To keep it simple, I have provided a calculator in the video description below. It will do all the hard work and make sure that you qualify for the right amount. As to the extent of tax relief you can expect from your charitable donation, just know that if your total gift is $200 and under, you may be less thrilled by the tax credit you will get. As an example, if you donate $200, you can expect anywhere from $40 to $60, depending on the province you live in. However, for every dollar that goes over $200, your tax credit is actually closer to 40 to 50%. So that actually means that your $1,000 that you give away costs you $600. And you live in British Columbia, you would actually receive $400 in tax credit. That's actually great incentive for you to give more. If larger gifts are not available for you at this stage, don't stop donating altogether because there are other ways for you to take advantage of the bigger tax credits. If both you and your spouse give, then you can combine both amounts and apply to one person's tax return if that brings you over that $200 threshold. Or you can hold off on claiming the donation this year and add it to next year's total. You can carry forward your cash donations for 5 years. When it comes to giving to a worthy cause, it isn't about the tax breaks that we get, although it is a helpful perk. It is about our connection to others and how our hearts break for their suffering and our willingness to act. If it wasn't for your generosity in sharing your wealth and time to those in need, our world would be a much sadder place. So thank you to all the heroes out there. This has been my favorite episode to create. I have so much more to say regarding financial planning around charitable giving, but we're going to have to wait for a future episode to go deeper into it. I hope you are encouraged by what you learned in this video and that you would give this video a thumbs up and share it with everyone. And in the comment section below, let me know your favorite charities and tell me why. I want to create a community of givers. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so now so that we can continue giving you new topics every single month. In Grace Financial Solutions, financial success made simple.